What's up, everybody, and welcome to another Pursuing 1%. In James Nestor's book, Breath, he has a wonderful quote that he references that talks about the nose as the silent warrior for breathing, the gatekeeper to our bodies, the pharmacist to our minds, and the weatherbane to our emotions. So, needless to say, it's important that you learn to breathe through your nose. As a matter of fact, it's so important that you should not only breathe through your nose during the day, you should also breathe through your nose at night. As Nestor tells us in his self-experiment, where he clogged his nose up and breathed through his mouth for 10 days, and then after that, he subsequently breathed through his nose for 10 days. During his 10 days of mouth breathing, his snoring went up a phenomenal 4,820%. 4,820%. That is absolutely insane. His sleep apnea events went up by 25. He had 25 sleep apnea events, whereas before he had 0. If you're not sure, a sleep apnea event is when you stop breathing and start choking on yourself and you have to wake up. For those of you who have sleep apnea, you know that all too well. And I know many people who have sleep apnea have many more sleep apnea events than just 25. But to go from 0 to 25 in a matter of 10 days is a pretty big jump. So with that being said, like I said, it's important that we learn how to breathe through our nose, not only during the day, but also at night. Now, he gives a couple of suggestions in the book in how we can learn to do that so that we can better breathe through our nose at night. One of which is taping your mouth shut. Admittedly, I've not tried this one yet, but I hear it is pretty effective. However, if you're not prepared to go quite that far, one simple thing that you can do to start to work on breathing through your nose at night is to practice right before you go to bed by doing a quick, simple 5 to 10 minute breathing meditation right before you go to bed. So as you're sitting down at night, hopefully with no screens on, but as you're sitting down at night, right before you get into bed, or you're sitting in bed, sit up nice and tall, close those eyes, close your mouth, and do some breathing in through your nose and out through your nose. And just feel yourself become nice and calm, and train yourself to breathe through your nose in and out. And hopefully that'll teach yourself to breathe through your nose as you're breathing at night as well. Like I said, you can go so far as to tape your mouth shut. And like I said, I heard that that's very effective, and I'm sure I'll try it eventually and let you know how it goes. But for now, to teach yourself to breathe through your nose at night, start with that 5 to 10 minute meditation before you go to bed. And that's how you can pursue 1% today. Check out more of our health and fitness videos on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Be sure to like, follow, or subscribe so you never miss out on our new content posted daily that contains life-changing strategies.